rising on the coastline of the Gambia. The horizon. A home where mornings begin with endless ocean views, and every breath carries the calm of the Atlantic. Its signature 14-story C-shaped tower with 182 finely crafted residences. From infinity pools and sky lounges, every space is a statement of refined seaside living. Construction is in full motion. Teams working day and night, floor after floor, rising quickly. Today, the horizon proudly stands at its 8th floor. The structure climbs higher with each passing week, with progress you can see from miles away. The vision is accelerating. Every beam, every detail brings this landmark closer to reality. The horizon, a sanctuary above the shore.